I actually want to take you to what it looks like if you decide to go with the $497 plan and you desire to have some type of SaaS product, some type of SaaS or software as a service platform on the internet to provide to your clients. So let's take the next few minutes, just very briefly, and let's go through this. So when you sign up for a SaaS plan, they're going to give you a SaaS configurator. Now, what they're doing essentially is they're providing you a streamlined approach to rolling out or presenting a offer to business owners with a recurring subscription. The difference is in plans, you can make adjustments to what features or solutions you provide. So let's be honest here. Every client you work with, when you decide to move to SaaS, will not benefit from the same solution. And so what's the SaaS plan allows you to do with HighLevel is to give you your own white label SaaS. So if you're looking for like a SaaS starter, a SaaS builder, some type of SaaS from scratch solution, I would start with HighLevel, because with HighLevel, you are working side by side with business owners or small medium enterprise, and you're helping them to grow rapidly and scale, but using or doing so with certain solutions. Let's talk about those solutions. Number one, and I have to mention here, they do give you the ability to turn on some type of trial period for all of your customers. So if somebody wants to start with 30 days, 14 days, 7 days, you can do so here. Let's start with plan one. Plan one, plan two, plan three. Plan one says, hey, if I were to zero this out, okay, HighLevel saying, listen, you don't want to sell this under $97 a month. And so if you try to sell it under $97, like say $49, HighLevel's going to say, no, we want you to start this at $97. And then, of course, you can make the adjustments to the yearly plan. And then Stripe gives you the ID, the unique ID to be able to present this to a customer. All right. And you can customize this standard plan, providing the type of features that you want to give to your customers. So these features include two-way text, email conversation, Google My Business messaging, web chat, reputation management, Facebook, Google My Business call tracking, missed call text back, which is a really cool feature. If somebody calls any of your clients, HighLevel will automatically text that lead back. Text to pay, hey, show me the money. It's all about the money, right? If you cannot take payments, then what's the point, right? And so with HighLevel offering this text to pay solution in the first plan, you can automatically go to a client for $97 and say, listen, I'm giving you a solution that allows you to take payment from your customers, so this instantly pays for itself. Okay, that's one way to present this and to make sense of the investment in this. And then, of course, there's complimentary credits that you can provide for texting as well as email follow-up. All right, next, we're going to go into plan two. Plan two, you have the same capabilities. HighLevel wants you to start with $197. And then, of course, you can customize what that looks like per year. And then here are some of the solutions that you would probably want to give away within that second plan. And you can drag that over and you can drag it back over here. And then there's some complimentary credits. And over here, as we wrap up, plan three, HighLevel wants you to start with $297. And then you can customize the yearly plan to your liking. And then again, you can customize each plan based on what's attractive to your clients and what they're willing to spend the money for, and ultimately what's going to help them. Now, what I love about each plan is going to give you some type of snapshot. Okay, so you can build a custom solution, give it a name called a snapshot, and then attach it. So if anyone makes a purchase of any of these plans, then they automatically get everything inside of that snapshot of solution. And then the rest is history from there. So Coming back out, going high level, no pun intended, but going high level here, does it make sense to invest? Will you make your money back if you're, say, paying for the 497? Well, yes, I think you'll make your money back. Is it worth integrating and migrating all of your solutions that you have been paying for into one single platform and paying one single flat price? Yes, it's worth it. And just to recap, is it worth making the investment because everyone else is doing it? I don't want to always do what everyone else is doing. Well, again, the numbers don't lie. I say pay attention to the numbers and let that validate your interest inside of HighLevel. Now, I hope you have enjoyed this. Again, if you just want to kick the tire, if you want to play around with this, and you like what you see so far here for the 2022 review, I say go ahead and click the link below, which is a link to the 14-day trial. Yes, that is my affiliate link. So thank you so much for clicking on that link if you find this attractive, just from providing you this value. And if you need help with anything, you want to ask more questions, go ahead and comment below, ask questions below in the comments. And of course, I can address them from there. Thank you so much for watching this. My name is Rich People's Digital, and we'll see you on the next video.